Hi guys, it's your guy Lukman Charlie. It don't happen again. I just found this new platform. It's an investment platform where you can put some money and it will be generating some income for you. So you can see the name is Federal Insurance Corporation. It's a registered company. It's an investment platform. You just put your money there, then it will be generating income for you every day. So assuming you want to join or you want to register an account with them, you just click on the link down the video description. I put the link there. You click on that link in the description, you see it. You click on the link and it will open like this. And when it opens like that, just put your username, put your mobile number. And when you are putting your mobile number, please don't add the zero, just leave the 0. Pick your password, confirm the password, then come and click on get a code. After that, they will send you the code, then you enter the code here and click on register. You are good to go like that. So I have an account already, there's no need for me to register. I will just log in. So log in, I'll enter my username or my mobile number to do it. So when you want to log in, you can see this thing. They will give you code to confirm. So enter the code here. Enter the code here. So I'll just enter the code here. Then I'll log in. So it's 24234. 24234. Then I'll log in. Login success. So let's wait and see the interface of the website. So when it opens, this is how the interface of the website look like. This is how it looks like. So now assume you want to invest 50 CD, and if you invest 50 CD, it will take 365 days, and every day you'll be getting 2 CD, 50 pesos. Every hour is 0.1. So 0.1 times 24 hours in a day, you get 2 CD, 50 pesos every day, up to 365 days, and you can withdraw it anytime you want it. It's not a matter of the distance, the 365. You can put your money today, then you withdraw it today again. Then when you can see 150 on. It's plenty. You can see it, anyone you want to buy. And see, if you invest 2,000 every 1 hour, you'll be getting 4 CD, 60 pesos every 1 hour. So 24 hours times this, assuming every day you'll be making that money. So up to a year, they give you offer. The offer expires a year. So let's see, if you just log in, register new account like this, they will give you 2 CD. And when you can see here, click to subscribe, give 1 CD. If you click to join their Telegram group, you will give in 1 CD. They will give you 1 CD. Then it will be 3 CD like that. And when you join, you can see the spin here. You can see. Let's just open the spin and you see. Let's open the spin. So when you open the spin, you can see mine is 0. You can see free. They'll give you free. Wow, they've given me 1 crowd. Maybe someone's going. So you can spin. You click on gold and you wait. Maybe you get some money. So after you are done registering like that, let's go and finish creating the account, because you have to choose the payment method. Do you want them to pay you through your mobile money, and also want to deposit through your mobile money? So say we want to link our mobile money account to it. So you just click on here, personal account. Click on personal account. When you click on personal account, click on the account. So here that you link your account to it. So let me click on it and you see something. So when you click on it, the network is very poor. So sorry for that. So when you click that, you can see select a bank. But here we will not be linking our bank to it, we will link our mobile money account to it. So enter your mobile money name here, and you come and click on this here, click on here to choose your account. So when you click on, you can see the type of banks: ADB, Standard Bank, Ghana Commercial Bank, a lot of banks there. So you can come down here, you see Vodafone and MTN. The Momo is for MTN. If you want to link your Vodafone to, you use your Vodafone. So let's click on it here. So you can see the ID type. The ID type is not, you are using Momo, so you can leave it. Enter your name, then come and enter your valid ID. Click on get a code. You can decide to put your mobile money number again, but if you want, you can leave it. So look at here. Click on get a code here. Then they will send you another verification again. So click on then paste the numbers here. Then you click on save. So assuming you have done that, and you want to deposit money into the account, how do you do it? You come to this recharge button. So click on recharge button. So let's click on recharge button. So when you click on recharge button, they ask you how much do you want to pay. Recharge amount, the minimum is 50 cedi. So but first you have to come and choose it, because you are using mobile money. This one is an international one. It's also another way of paying money, TRC and the ARC. So let's click on it, then we'll choose our MTN, then 50 cedi rather, sorry. So click on recharge, click on confirm. So let's wait and see. You click on confirm. So when you confirm it like that, then it will open another page. So here you can see that enter the mobile money name here, enter the number here, the number that you used to pay the distance. So come here and click. You see the bank. We are not using bank, we are using our mobile money. So click on that. You can see down here Vodafone and MTN. If you are using Vodafone, you use the Vodafone. So let's use MTN. Avicen. So after that, you click on the terminal here. So the terminal, then you confirm it. Confirm. So when you confirm it like that, it will open another page. Oh, I have to enter names here. Let me just write something there. Then I'll paste my number, my mobile number, because I didn't feel it. I want to do it. It's not doing it. So you can see the abbreviations are prohibited, but I'm not making payment. So let me just use my name, Lukman. Hey, what is that? Lukman. So Lukman Adam. Let me just do it like that. So I'll confirm now. It will open. So when it opens like that, you can see they've given me some number. You see the number, the mobile money, the number I will transfer the money to. So click on copy here. So when you click on copy, you go back to your thing. You just can go to your home screen. Transfer that your *170. Transfer the money to that number. This number, you transfer the money to that number. Make sure you are using smartphone with that, because after transferring it, and they will MTN people will give you a message. You screenshot the message, and come back to this platform. So when you come back to this platform, you hit on here this camera thing, then it will ask you to upload. So it will take you to your pictures, then you click on that and upload it here. So when you upload it, after you are done uploading it, then you come and click on show. You are good to go like that. So you have deposited the money like that. So how do you invest it? Let's go back to the home page. go back to the home page. So we just go back to the home page. I don't want to recharge. I'll go back again. So we are there. You can see me. Hey, we have VIP 1. I have VIP 1. So let's go back to here. I have VIP 1 waiting for me. So when that one finishes, I'll be getting my money. When 365 days don't reach, I don't withdraw it. So you come here. Let's go to the home button to buy our this thing, our miner, or our worker, should I call it. So when you deposit the 50 cedi, you can now come and click on here buy. Then when you click on it, they will ask you to confirm. Then you will confirm it, just like that. Then every day, if you want to check your earnings, you just come and click on earnings. And when you click on earnings, it will open. So when it opens like that, sorry for the distraction, there is noise at my background. So you can see here current earning is 0. I just remove it, so you can come and click on here, assuming you are done with it. You are done investing, so you want to remove or receive your reward, you click on here, and it will take all your reward to your account. And when you want to withdraw, you just go and click on the withdraw button and you are good to go. So just like that, every day you come here and check. And when you also share your link with people, you'll be getting some money for that. So just like that, you can invest and you can now make money online. Thank you for watching. See you in another video. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe. If you are new to this channel, subscribe, comment, and also like. It will help me a lot. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you another time.